Everywhere we look, we can see dance. Nature dances when the trees sway in the wind, when birds fly in formation across the sky, when the waves rise and fall. Human beings have always danced to express joy. But is dance only about joy? Dance is about communication through the body. And we use our bodies to communicate all the time.
A garden of flowers of different kinds brings great joy. One can't actually see the blooming bud into a flower, petal by petal, but we can show this through gestures and rhythm. Here is the tree that grows from a seed in the ground. Its trunk reaching upward towards the light, its branches spread out, and a creeper climbs up the trunk to finally rest over the tree. Mountains are huge and magnificent. Our bodies are much smaller in comparison. But through dance, the grandeur of the mountains can surely be expressed through eyes and body movements. The dancers show a river that flows from the mountain, tumbling down through rapids into the sea. Here the dancer shows the drip drop of the rain, which grows stronger and stronger. People are thrilled and dance in joy. Observe the drumming of the instruments that enhance the movement and the mood. The waves of the ocean come rolling to the shore. In perfectly synchronized lines. Here the dancers show the up and down movement of the waves. Which gradually flow onto the beach.
See how the fish move gracefully about, jumping and gliding through the water. In dance, we take real-life scenes and make them into designs, like the flames of the fire. These dances show birds pecking at grain and flying in the sky. Musical instruments bring alive the mood. They provide rhythm and melody to the dancers.
The dancer helps you to see things like the ball in the game.